In this chapter, let us learn about NumPy array indexing. Assess array elements. Array indexing is the same as assessing an array element. You can assess an array element by referring to its index number. The indexes in NumPy array starts with 0, meaning that the first element has the index 0 and second has the index 1, etc. See example, get the first element from the following array. If we execute the code by giving 0, the result is 1. The second example, see the second example, get the second element from the following array. See, if we given 1, the 2 was printed here, the result is 2. See the example 3, get third and fourth elements from the following arrays and add them. See, print 2 plus 3, the result is 7. Assess 2D arrays. To assess elements from 2D arrays, we can use comma separated integers representing the dimension and the index of the element. See the example, assess the 2D element on first dim. See here, while executing this code, the result returns second element on first dim is to 2. See the another example, assess the fifth element on second dim. See, by executing this code, see the fifth element on second dim is 10. Assessing 3D arrays. To assess elements from 3D arrays, we can use comma separated integers representing the dimensions and the index of the element. See, by separating these commas like this, by executing this code like this, the result is 6. Example explained. Array 0, 1, 2 prints the value 6, and this is why. The first number represents the first dimension, which contains two arrays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Since we selected 0, we are left with the first array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The second number represents the second dimension, which also contains two arrays 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Since we selected 1, we are left with the second array 4, 5, 6. The third number represents the third dimension, which contains three values 4, 5, 6. Since we selected 2, we end up with the third value 6. See the example above that we explained. See here. Here is the example. Negative indexing. Use negative indexing to assess an array from the end. Print the last element from the second dim. Import NumPy as NP. See here, now last element from second dim. If we execute the code, the result returns this. Last element from second dim is to 10. Okay friends, this is the end of part 4, array indexing. In next video, let us learn about another topic, array slicing. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.